Shout glory if you love the Lord on today. Speak this confession with me. I am whole. Psalm 51:12 says, restore to me the joy of your salvation and uphold me with your generous spirit. Today, the restoration has come to you. With restoration comes grace. Grace brings dignity, and dignity assures destiny. So right where you are, thank God for restoring you in every area. He restores our soul. Ask Him right now, help you to maintain everything that has been restored. Enter into this day knowing that the Spirit of the Lord is upon you, not just inside of you. His outpouring presence right now is making up for everything that has been absent. Decree, I am whole.